Talon in 5, we have Cool Tiger in 6, So Perfect here up behind the boxes, and away they go, and fastest in the stride was trap number 4, Talon leads to the bend from trap number 3, Unperturbed, around the opening turn, all trouble there in 5, Cool Tiger left in front of trap number 6, So Perfect, then comes trap number 4, Talon down the far side, it's 5, Cool Tiger leads, 6, So Perfect in chase, number 3 is in the middle of the track, we could have a trouble here, out front though it's number 5, Cool Tiger leads from 6, So Perfect to close the gap, around the final turn, number 3 is going to jump onto the track, don't get alarmed, it's number 5 though, Cool Tiger leads up the line, 6, So Perfect in second, but 5, Cool Tiger goes on to score. Second is number 6, So Perfect.